Hello and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm with Jethro. We are in Shenzhen, and we are going on a road trip, or I guess a train trip, to where?
Shunde.
Okay. I don't know where this is, but it's about a 2-hour journey. And so basically we got to walk into this big crowd and get on a train. We got here 2 hours early because we thought there might be a traffic jam, so we left early, but now we're 2 hours early. Anyway, so when we go there, what is the plan? What are we doing? Like,
just visit my relative.
Travel, explore, and visit your relatives.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, let's go on a journey.
We got the VIP tickets, so we can waiting in a VIP room.
So we waited and had tea and coffee for a bit, and now we arrived here. Can we open this? Is that even like possible? Yeah. Oh, you just push it up. Yeah. So is the train going to go this way or this way?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. Because if it's going that way, we ride backwards.
Yeah.
And how long is the journey?
1 hour.
Oh, that's right. And we have 2 trains. Yeah.
Yeah, 2 trains.
We take a train, we get off,
and
then we get on another train. What is this?
What is this?
Oh, it's a light.
Yeah, it's a light.
I thought it was like a microphone. In case you want to sing, first class karaoke. Oh, your microphone is still on.
Oh.
Yeah, I can sing over here too. What song do you want me to sing? No. He wants me to sing a rock song. No.
A bottle of water.
And
this is a power.
And
some food. Biscuits. Oh, biscuit.
We looked it up. We have a 38-minute journey, so we have 38 minutes to eat 2 boxes of snacks. Yeah. Are you feeling up for the challenge?
No.
No.
Sleep for a while.
So I'm going to try these. I don't know if they have like candy or something. Looks like a peanut brittle thing. Yeah, it's good. I think it has a hint of ginger in it. Now there's this thing. It looks like, feels like some type of jello goo chunks inside, maybe. I have no idea. And peanuts in the middle. Looks very strange. Yeah, that was really good. The texture is perfect. There's a hint of coconut. Peanuts and coconut. Awesome, so we just finished the first train. It's very fast, so quiet, so smooth. Now we wait for like 40 minutes for our next train, and once we're on the train ride is 8 minutes long. So now we're looking for B20 in the train station, and I swear half the population of China is in this station right now. Is this normal?
Holiday.
Ah, that's right, it's a holiday today. Yeah, super busy. So we are looking for a seat, but basically there are
looking for a seat.
There are no seats available. There's so many people, it's unbelievable.
Maybe we go there.
We can sit here on the floor?
No, never.
No? They're doing it over here. Okay, I don't know, I follow you. So we made it to the destination. Where is this place again?
Shunfengshan.
Okay, there. I can't say it yet.
You can.
And we're meeting with your family. They should be here. We're going to the parking lot.
Yeah.
And we're meeting your friends.
There's my second cousin.
Second cousins, brothers, sisters, aunt.
Yeah.
Something like that?
Yeah, fine.
Oh, I think we found them.
那个谁终于你坐你面前，你先上。
卷身都有，因為專門拍嗰個
So we met up with his family and we drove to a restaurant and we sat at the first table for like 5 minutes and then they made us change tables and then we went to the second table and then they made us change to a third table and I think this is the final table. Still waiting. I think so. The food is coming.
要茶吗？要喝的吗？
So we just finished up eating. We learned that you have a problem with bowl and bowel. So when you're at the dinner table, you never should say,
Yeah, pass me a barrel.
no. Bowl. Bowl. Pass me your bowl. So for the last hour or more, we walked through a museum and we got to see kind of what it was like in the past in this city. We even seen an exhibition of Bruce Lee.
Yeah,
Bruce Lee apparently grew up here and lived in this area.
This is the hometown of Bruce Lee.
And there was a museum about him. Now we're outside of the museum and just kind of walking around. This is the, you said like
a big
government
park.
area?
Yeah, government area.
Government area with a big park. We're just kind of hanging out, walking.
The Capitol building.
Are you hot?
Yeah, a little hot.
A little hot.
So hot. Warm.
It's very warm. It's very organized, very beautiful. So we took another road trip to a park, and I got tea, lemon tea. It's really good. It's really sweet. So what is the mission? What is the mission here? Where are we going? What are we doing? Do you know?
Here.
What is the mission?
就是这个公园吧？
对，
Just
这
a
是
park.
你的最大的公
It's
园。
a very big. It's the biggest park in this area.
The biggest
So
park in the
over
area.
here.
Just walk around, explore,
Yeah,
sightsee.
yeah.
Tell us more about this gate. You said this is a pretty big
Yeah.
gate, yeah?
This is a very traditional Chinese gate, and it is said by my friends that it is the biggest one in Asia.
Biggest one in
Yeah,
Asia.
but you just look at this. This is
But-
a very traditional Chinese one.
A traditional Chinese gate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I must say it is. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. Have you ever been here before?
Yes.
You've been here before.
This is my third time, maybe.
Third time.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're a professional park tourist. When was the last time you were here?
2 years ago.
Yeah, it's very quiet, very peaceful. So many plants. One thing I love about China is the parks. Everybody comes and visits the parks. They're always full. And compared to the United States, parks are usually kind of empty, whether it's the weekend or the evening. It's not a popular thing to do and explore and visit. In Asia specifically, parks are full of people, and China is no different. Tons of people are in the park always, especially in the evening. People, friends, family, they get together, hang out, eat food, chat, play games. It's just amazing. See what?
Frog!
You see a frog?
Frog!
Oh, where? I see something moving. Where did it go?
Frog! Frog!
Where? I don't see it.
Frog!
Where do you see?
I see frog!
Oh yeah, here it is.
Oh, it's really small.
应该是
Oh yeah, it's a toad. A toad.
What is toad? 哦，
这不是，应该不是
It's。very small.
对，这不是。
So for the last several hours, we've been walking around the park. The sun is starting to kind of go down. The kids continue to ask me many different questions in English to try to practice their English. The temperature is finally cooling down. It's feeling really good now. I think so. What's the plan? What are we doing? Where are we going? Do you know?
We will have dinner, then we will go to another place. Not park, maybe a street, but very traditional Chinese Park.
Go to a place.
Yeah, please.
Go eat dinner, then go to a place.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So say hello. Sorry.
After a few minutes in the car, we arrived to
Say that.
this restaurant. Apparently, we're having a reunion. What is it?
梁厨.
梁
厨 means chef or kitchen.
Okay.
梁 means just like the given name or something like that in China.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah,
Well,
梁厨.
we're going to go eat dinner here, yeah?
Yeah, on the third floor.
On the third floor. Okay, let's go up.
这里有站。
也有叫人就买
出差不是住的，就是我们在那个。Cheers！
有了吧？有椰汁，你要不要？
给爷爷吃了啊！
我谢谢你。
你们不把它。
真爱吃，气死我了！你说是差不差？你闻一下。
So I always wondered how Chinese people got their English-sounding name. For example, I don't even know his name. What is your name in Chinese?
周瑜.
But in English, his name is Jethro. So how people get their names, I have no idea. It's different for everyone. But one of the boys back there, the older boy, his name is Simon. The second boy, the yellow boy, he does not have an English name. So I listened to his name. It was what's his original name?
孔祥博.
So the middle part sounded like Sam. So I said, maybe you could be Sam. So I guess his new name is.
What's your name?
Yeah, his name is.
Sam. My name's Sam.
Yeah. So his official name is now Sam. Maybe for the rest of his life. I have no idea.
Yeah.
So I often use Google Translate for like everything, and I'm translating the menu, and I can take like a photo or hover my phone over the Chinese text, and it instantly translates to English. Well, sometimes the translation is not good. So this food translates as homemade AIDS.
If I translate from Chinese to English directly, it means double skin miracle.
So we finished up dinner. We took a journey over to the water village. You said it has a long history.
Sometimes like the bridge,
Okay.
over 200.
Oh wow, okay. Over 200 years old, the bridge. So basically it feels like I'm in San Antonio, Texas, walking on the boardwalk. This literally feels like the boardwalk in San Antonio. It's really cool. It's about 9:45 at night, and it's basically dead. Nobody's here. Everybody's kind of packing up for the evening, and I think business is over for the night. Today was amazing. It's my first adventure outside of Shenzhen,
Yeah.
and it's cool. It's more
city in China.
Yeah, it's more authentic when we get away from the city and such. It's definitely a more authentic experience. So it's pretty. Whoa! And the tent is going down. It's going down.
Adventures everywhere.
What is the name of the city again? This.
顺德.
Oh my God. Shuntu?
顺德.
Shuntu?
德. Yeah.
Oh my God. Chinese is so hard. So difficult. Say hello. Anyway, I think I'm signing off for the night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So don't forget to.
Subscribe.
Hey, there you go. You got it right
不要
that
忘
time.
记注册. Okay.
Totally. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. Start living. Take
Bye.
care.